What is going on, guys? My name is Amos and I'm back again with another video. So in this video we want to discuss the idea of we want to talk about tautologies and when two propositions can be incompatible. All right, when can two propositions be incompatible? When do we have a tautology? So whenever we say that we have a tautology or a certain proposition is a tautology if for any combinations of two simple propositions, we have that all the truth values that we get are going to be true. All right, all the truth values are going to be, if all the truth values are if all the values, all the Boolean values, say, are going to be true for any combination, then the proposition is going to be a tautology. All right, so let me give you an example of a tautology. All right, let me give you an example of a tautology. So you can always find out using your truth table if it's hard to read what you have, or you can use the De Morgan laws, for example. If it becomes too compound, you can, instead of, if using a truth table becomes a bit tedious, you can think of using the De Morgan laws. For some propositions it works, and all the properties that we have already established. All right, so let me have non P here, non P here, let me have P or non P. So when P is true, well, non P has to be false. When P is false, non P has to be true. Well, P or non P means, okay, at least one of them has to be true for us to have true here. So one of them is true, we have true. One of them is true. Check it out. So what do we have here? All the values that we have here are true. Okay, we have true. All the Boolean values that we are having here are true values. So this is going to be known as a tautology. So P ou non P is what is known as a tautology. Is a tautology. So simple. Now, when can two propositions be incompatible? When do you think two propositions can be incompatible? All right, so I'll give you an example and we'll conclude from that example. I'll actually use the same truth table so that I don't have to draw the same thing again. All right, let me just get rid of the value. Actually, what I can do is this and this to simplify things. All right, so if I now change this to this or to an and, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? All right, this needs rectification. All right, so if I change this P to an and, what is going to happen if I change this P to an and? What is going to happen? All right, so for us to have a true here, both P and non-P have to be true, but one of them is true and the other one is false. So this is false and this is also false here. So whenever the values that we get here are all false values, then the propositions P and non-P are going to be what? Are going to be incompatible. So these guys are going to be incompatible. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.